Hi, I'm Katie with the Frain Group. Today we're cycling your SureKap capper, integrated with an unscrambling table and an accumulation table. We recommend read the manual in its entirety before powering up the machines. The voltage on the units are single phase 120 volts. Cappers like these are capable of running a wide variety of products, such as the ones you see here. Today we'll be applying a cap to this bottle at a rate of 2,500 shipping cases per single shift.